Greetings, fellow adventurers! Have you ever wondered about cruising the Caribbean during the infamous hurricane season? Tempted by the allure of discounted prices, but seeking guidance of the pros and cons? Today, we are unraveling the mysteries to help you decide if it's whether or not to take the plunge. So let's dive in. Hurricane season in the Caribbean typically spans from June to November, with its peak in mid to late August through early November. While this might bring you to the Caribbean during the hottest months, it also offers chances to book a family cruise, kids included, at significantly lower rates at other times of the year. Worried about cruise cancellations due to a storm? They're actually quite rare. Cruise lines use advanced technology to track and navigate around storm systems, ensuring your safety. Itineraries may change, giving you the chance for an extra day at port or exciting new destinations. For added peace of mind, consider travel insurance with weather-related policies. Did you know that there are hurricane-free zones in the Caribbean? The Southern Caribbean lies just below the hurricane belt, making it less susceptible to severe storms. This means that you can enjoy safer destinations while still enjoying the savings. Cruisers, I hope these insights provide clarity about booking your Caribbean cruise during the summer and fall months. If you have more questions or if you're ready to embark on your next adventure, I'm here to help. Click the link below to request your complete Caribbean cruise packing list, ensuring that you are fully prepared for your journey. Until then, may your adventure be unforgettable as the seas be ever calm. Bon voyage, and as always, love your adventure. Take care.